Beautiful people, today going to learn how to make this delicious Middle Eastern inspired cauliflower with tahini sauce and chimichurri. Starting off, you're going to want a medium cauliflower, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 small green or red chillies, not too hot, handful of fresh coriander that's been finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, very finely chopped, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of salt, the contents of 1 pomegranate, about half a cup of cold water, 3 tablespoons of tahini, and a drizzle of olive oil. Now I'm going to ever so slightly boil the cauliflower for about 10 minutes. You never want to overcook cauliflower because it releases gases and tastes bitter. Now let's go with the chimichurri. So I'm starting off with the olive oil. I'm adding in there the fresh coriander or cilantro. Moving on with the chilies. I don't like mine too hot, so I'm just using mild. Adding in the garlic, the apple cider vinegar, and the juice of half of a lemon and some salt. I'm giving that a good stir. Feel free to add as much olive oil as you wish. Moving on to the tahini sauce, very classic. Couple of tablespoons of tahini, ice cold water, lemon juice, and stirring that up to the desired texture.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Now I'm transferring the cauliflower into a pot that I can place in an oven, drizzling some olive oil on there, adding some salt, and popping it in on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit for about half an hour till it goes a little bit brown on the top. First step, I'm drizzling all over the tahini. Some say you can cut it into steaks and then you get more out of the sauce. I don't mind, you just rip it off and dip it and scoop it, and it's just really good. Next, going in with the chimichurri, as you can see. And as a final texture, it's a really nice bite. Go in there with the pomegranate. Splash that on. It's delicious. Folks, honestly, you can have this with a pita bread. You can eat it as it is. This is the best cauliflower I've ever had. I think I've stolen this recipe from a restaurant that I went to in Dublin called Shook. They just make it so good there. I was like, hey, I'll have some of that right here. Anyway, folks, please don't forget to subscribe if you're into vegan recipes from all around the world. Ciao for now, see you on the next one. And if you're feeling extra charitable and generous, smack that like button right there.